Guys, welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online using this method I'm going to show you in today's video. So if you have been looking for ways you can make money online, you want to sell something, you want to make sure you start earning as quick as possible, then watch this video till the end. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money online using Sellar and a platform which I'm going to show you. Now the combination of this platform is going to make you money. Now trust me, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to put in the work. I'm going to show you everything you need to know from the very first step to the last very step. So if you're interested, make sure you watch this video till the end. Now if you watch this video, you're going to start you're going to start collecting payments from lots of customers. As you can see on the screen here, these are payments that have been collected over time. So if you watch my video to the end, you're going to get all the information you need for you to start making this kind of sales. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have an account with this platform called Selar. So go to sellar.com and create account. So we want to be able to sell products. Now if you don't know what Sellar is a platform where you sell stuff online. As you can see, I said the best way to sell your digital products online. So we are going to be selling a digital product. I'm going to show you the digital products we're going to sell, and I'm going to show you how you can even get those digital products. So you literally don't even need to create those digital products, but if you create it yourself, it's fine. But if you don't necessarily need to create it, and I'm going to show you unique stuff. So everything is going to be in this video detailed, so watch it to the end. So come over to this platform, sellar.com, create your account and verify and do everything you need to do. Now once you have created your account and you are verified, then now we'll move over to the next step. So the next step is, now I have created my account, what else can I sell, or how can I start selling on this platform? So if I go to the Seller dashboard, I just want to show you what the dashboard looks like. So this is basically what the dashboard looks like. So you're going to be selling products. Now if you look up to my page here, you see that I have 12 products, and if I open some of the products, you see that these are some of the products I sell on the platform. Now in your case, what you need to do is, well, first of all, I'm going to make this video into two categories. Now the first category is for people that have digital skills, or they have digital products to sell already. So let's say you have some little audience somewhere, or you have ebooks or video courses, online courses that you make yourself and you want to sell them, then you can go ahead and sell them on this platform. So all you need to do is, after creating your account, come over here to add a product and start adding your digital products. Now you can add a digital product, services, subscription, a whole lot of different things, even video stuff. You can add it right here, and Sellar is going to help you host it, and then you can now market it to your customers and make sales. Okay, so now if you don't have, the second category now is if you don't have any product to sell at all. Let's say you're just starting out online and you literally don't have any digital products to sell. So the next thing you need to do is you need to find a digital product. Now creating a digital product at that stage might be very hard or difficult, or might be very time consuming for you, but I'm going to show you a very good solution. Now the good solution you have is you need to get quality PLR products, quality private label rights products. So that means you can get these quality products that are 100% high quality, and you can resell them and take 100% of the profit. Now how does that sound to you? So that is not actually a lie. That's exactly what this platform on the screen is actually going to do for you. So it's called free PLR download. So if you go to freeplrdownloads.com, you can find this free PLR stuff that I'm talking about. Now another one I have for you guys, which I'm not going to be talking about, I think I've talked about this one before, is called In Digital Works. Now if you go to indigitalworks.com, they also do the same PLR product stuff. Okay, so this one is even more advanced. I've talked about this one on the channel, so make sure you watch my previous channel where I actually talked about this one. But trust me, everything I'm going to be showing you today is everything you can do with even this one and any other PLR products that you can even search online. But if you go to freeplrdownloads.com, you are going to find ebooks, softwares, videos, and other things that you can even sell and keep 100% of the profit. Now somebody might want to ask me, like, how will the platform allow me to download the product and sell and keep 100% of the platform of the revenue? Well, that is what PLR does. Okay, so these are authors that actually create high quality products but they just want to help people out, so they come to this platform and list them, so you can actually take them and sell. Now remember, you're not the only person selling this product, so you need to make sure yours is unique and you're also offering additional value that will want to make somebody want to purchase those products. So that's one thing I want you to have in the back of your mind. So because if you come to this platform now, if you go to ebooks or you go to softwares, let's go to softwares, let's go to free PLR softwares. You're going to find a lot of softwares, as you can see here. This one says here, a viral article publisher. Now if you're looking to publish content or articles that are going to go viral, you can take this software. For instance, let me show you. So this is the description of the software. As you can see, introducing viral article publisher. This software can help you submit an article to as many sites as you want, and save you a tremendous amount of time that you can use to grow your business or spend with your family. So you can read more about what this software does. Now one thing you have to know is you are not the only one that have access to this software right now, because it's free and anybody can come over to this platform. Even as I'm sharing with you now, a lot of people watch that, a lot of people will watch this video and will want to do the same thing. So you need to find a way to make your own unique. You need to find a way to make yours different from the other person. You need to add offer additional value to people that want to purchase this stuff from you. Even people that don't know about this platform or about this software right now, if they eventually go and search and find this software for free, they don't need to buy from you anymore. But one thing you need to know is these platforms are not so common. Not everybody knows them. In fact, as I'm speaking to you, not everybody watching this video even know what PLR is. But right now, you know exactly what PLR is, isn't it? That's the advantage of watching my videos. So make sure you're subscribed, okay? So now, once you are here now, the next thing you want to do is you scroll down here, you can see they have a download link, and you can download this product for free, 100%. So these are all the description you need to know about this product. So as you can see, unrestricted private label rights, so that means you can sell this product. Okay, you can sell it, but yeah, you cannot give it out for to people for free. You're not meant to give it out for free. If anybody that wants it for free should come here to download it. But once you have downloaded it, you can now make sales. You can even allow you to modify it and do every other thing. So right now, this is the size, this is the e-cover. Does it have e-cover? Yes. Sales page is included, squeeze page not included, operating system Microsoft Windows. So if you get the software now, you get it on Microsoft Windows. Now another thing is, you use not only software, you can do that for video, you can do that for ebooks and so many other stuff. So it is good to also read their legal notice and privacy policies, so that you know exactly what they allow you to do with the product and what they don't allow you to do. So now let's move on. So let's say you've downloaded this quality PLR products. Let's say you have downloaded the software and you want to sell it. Okay, so that's where Sellar comes in. So right now you just need to, after you've created the account and everything you've done on Sellar, then come over here to create a digital product. So if I click on next, right now we just need to enter all the digital product details that we need. For instance, we need to enter the name, the image, the price of the product, the description, subcategories. We create categories, and then some add the product. So this is where you're not going to upload the file of the product. So I mean, this is exactly everything you need to do about these two platforms. Sellar, in fact, Sellar allows you to do a lot of other stuff. Okay, so now Sellar is actually going to get this product. If you listed it and done everything, it's actually going to give you a link that you can now promote to your customers or to people that are looking to purchase that stuff, or to wherever you have done your marketing, because you still need to do some little bit of promotion for you to even get sales. So you can't just come over to PLR product, download the product, upload it on Sellar and go and relax and expect to make sales. Sometimes on a 90% chance that doesn't work, except you already have some people that are listening to you. Okay, so after you've gotten the product, you've uploaded to Sellar, you still need to promote it on Facebook, promote it on Instagram, promote it on Twitter, promote it on anywhere you know that people interested in this product are available. So you promote it there. Trust me, if you eventually do this, you start making sales, you start getting customers, you start getting people that want to buy your products here and there, and over time you find out that you start making enough sales to even cover up a lot of other costs, that you can even start creating these products yourself. So this is exactly how you can make money selling PLR products. And You can do that selling all these things right here on Seller. So if you are interested in everything I just showed you, and in fact you want to know more, all I want you to do is to make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you've turned on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed, make sure you've turned on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video. So if you want to make this amount of money in the next couple of time, weeks or days or months or hours, whichever one, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that I can drop more videos here that is actually going to help you make sales and start generating passive income for yourself. So my name is Kingsley. I'm excited to make this video for you. Thank you very much for watching. Please before you go, make sure you like the video so that YouTube will push it out to more people that are interested. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you very much.